Here's the desk, a bit smaller than I'd hoped for. My laptop's about the size of the whole entire table itself. This thing, these USB ports don't get enough power to supply power to this thing, so it trips out. You can't even turn it off. But once you hook it up to an actual power source, it's fine, and you can switch to the modes. But then it's already having issues. Change the brightness, and then I can't even turn it off without unplugging it. Which that's where it's meant to go. It's meant to attach here and go into your USB port. But now I want you to consume an entire socket in order to get it to function properly. Great.